Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to save PowerPoint slide to JPG. So first you need to select the slide which you want to save it as a JPG. For example, I'm selecting the slide number 10 and then head to the file on the top ribbon and click on the export and now click on the change file type. And now scroll a little bit and double click on the JPEG file interchange format. So the new window will pop up asking where you want to save the file. Choose your folder, name your file and click save. For example, I'll be selecting desktop and I'll be name the file whatever and click save. PowerPoint will pop up prompt asking which slides do you want to export. So saves only the slide you currently have selected as a single JPG. Click on this. Go to the desktop and here you can see that it has been saved as a JPG format. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how to save PowerPoint slide to JPG. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.